Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to unclog your bathtub drain using this drain weasel. The bathtub drain usually clogs with long hair, so I'm not accusing my girlfriend here. It is maybe my hair that clogged the drain. Anyways, we're gonna open this up and we're gonna unclog it. So let's start. First, let me open it up. So it is very easy to open. And by the way, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description if you wanna check it out. This is a snake. You have two of them. And this is the handle. So you need to put this part of the stick in the handle here, like this. And then when you put it, push this down so that to hold it in place. And now we're gonna unclog the drain. I'm gonna wear plastic gloves to do this. And while I am wearing my plastic gloves, I wanted to tell you that the things that's gonna come out of this, now it's not for the faint of heart. So if you don't want to see it, just close your eyes whenever I unclog it. Let me zoom in a bit. So now what you need to do is, you don't remove anything from here. You just push this down like this until it goes in a little bit. So now it is in. And then you turn it like this. And it's gonna wrap around it the hair. Let's see the first attempt. What did it do? Ooh, I told you it's not for the faint of heart. So these were the hairs that were clogging the drain, and I don't think I can remove them. I need to use the other one. So I'm gonna throw this away here, remove it like this, and just throw it away. And I'm gonna put the other one to continue the unclogging. So this is a new stick. Let's install it. And it's a good thing that I wore these plastic gloves. And let's continue the work. I'm gonna do it from the other side now. Make sure that it goes in. And now it is in. Let's turn it and see the results. And hopefully it will remove some other hairs. Okay, it didn't remove too much hair. I'm gonna put it back and turn it once again from here. And now it should remove much more hair. And here's the hair removed. So now let's try it. I'm gonna throw this also away, and it's a good thing that they don't cost much, these replacement sticks, so they are really cheap. So now I'm gonna try it, and you see how the water drains very quickly. By the way, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope that my video helped you unclogging your bathtub drain. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.